So the part 2 of the video, it's we see the second unit, which is actually a bit more new. Include also in the rent. It's a 2 bedrooms unit. It has no furniture, but this one we will fix it. Larger room with higher ceiling. So it's a smaller room, but it has a higher ceiling. Still and the bathroom, which is actually a okay bathroom. Does he have hot water? Yes, it does. Ah no, it does not. Okay, and here we come back and we have these beautiful Jimmy cars for sale. We go in the main house again. You see, it was here my patio access. I have the 2,500 liter water. It was 1 bedroom here. So it's a 5 bedrooms house. Here the main kitchen. My living room, the entrance and the porch. We have here our bathrooms and second bedrooms. Third bedrooms here also, who has access to the bathroom. And we go at the entrance. We have here on the left the entrance of the property and our access to parking. Loft is kind of a porch or patio and shade, and we have access to the studio. So here it's an inventory room, the bodega as we said, and here access to the studio.